In this video, I'm reviewing Sunny Life filters for the Parrot Anafi drone. I'm going to show some sample footage of each one of the filters being used on the drone so that it can be compared to see what difference it actually makes to the video footage. I bought these filters here. They're called Sunny Life filters. You get a nice plastic case with it. Now you can buy them individually, the filters, or you can get multiple packs. What I did is I got 3 filters. I got a UV filter, I got a polarizer, and I got an ND8 filter. Now you can fill it up. I think there's ND16s, there's ND6s and things like that that you can basically fill up the rest of the case. So what I'm going to do in this video is I've gone out into the field and I've tested all of these filters, and I've given example videos of each one of them, and I've tried to use the flight plan feature so you can get the exact same video for each one of the sample demos, and you can see what the difference is with the filters on. And at the end of this video I'll give my feedback and what I thought of the filters. Now to start off with, to put these filters on, if you get them basically, and what I'll do is I'll leave links below to the filters where you can get them off the internet. Okay, to start off, to show you how the filters go on, they're just a little plastic cover that it doesn't snap. It's you push it onto the head of the camera. It just sort of just stays on there. It's tight enough so it won't fall off. Now you see how it's on there. The only thing is you have to make sure that the drone's powered up first before you put on the filter, because what it does is if this is on before you power up the drone, when the drone goes through the test sequence, it's going to detect something on the camera and it's going to come up with an error. So turn on the drone, let it go through the test where the camera moves around. Then when it's done, then you can actually put on the filter. In this first sample video, I'm demonstrating the ND8 filter. As a background, I'm filming at Doona Castle in County Mayo. Now during the footage, I flip back and forth from the standard video without the filter on it and the ND8 filter so that you can see the difference. And here's what it looks like without the ND filter. In this next video, I'm in a different location on a different day, and I'm demonstrating all filters, the ND filter, the UV filter, and the polarizer, including footage without the filters being used. This is the ND8 filter. And here's what it looks like without the ND filter. This is the ND8 filter. And here's what it looks like without the ND filter. This is the ND8 filter. This is the polarizer. This is the UV filter. So what did I think of these filters? I tried many tests. I took it out in different days, so different light conditions and things like that, different scenery and things like that. Did several videos to see the comparison. And in all honesty, I don't see any difference, or I don't see much of a difference. Not enough that would make me want to keep using the filters permanently. In fact, if anything, I would prefer them without the filters, because the saturation seems to be a little bit better. The colors come out a little bit more vibrant. It could be that I need a higher sort of ND filter, one that's a little bit darker, to see a difference, or it could be that I wasn't in a bright enough day so that the filters made that they could make more of a difference. But let me know what you think. Have a look at the sample videos I've taken. If you do notice a difference, let me know. Please leave them in the comments below. And that's it. So let me know what you think. And if you like these videos, I do multiple videos on my different photography gear that I use, including the Parrot Anafi, and some of the film locations, or the locations I go to for photography. So if you like the video, subscribe. So until next time, I will see you later.